Nowadays, if we search in internet stock market scams, we get lot of scams. All of their modus operandi is same. Like what they do, they take your money and they promise you to double it in 6 months, in 1 year. Some people even promise to double it in 1 month. People pay and initially they give some returns and they stop payments after some time, and innocent people just lose all of their hard earned money to these type of scammers. So naturally question arises, like we algo trading platforms, algo traders, algo trading strategists. So I would like to explain what actually we do at Retail Algo Trader is, first of all, we don't take your trading capital. We don't take your trading capital and offer you any kind of returns. We don't. I'm repeating, we don't take any of your trading capital. You will keep your trading capital in your demat accounts. That too, you don't have to keep it idle. You just need to invest in some ETFs or mutual funds. I'm not suggesting any stocks. I'm telling you to invest in Nippon Nifty Bs or like liquid Bs, gold Bs are there. Because why to invest in ETFs is, ETFs, the liquidity is very high. You can invest, you can buy, you can sell anytime like you do with stocks. There is no lock-in period in ETFs. The expense ratio is also very less. If you invest in individual stocks, no one can say what happens after 10-20 years for that stock, because the management changes, technology change, governments change. But in ETF like Nifty Bs, Nifty Bs is a well diversified a fund, exchange traded fund, which invests in Nifty 50 companies. And if the India grows, Nifty 50 grows. But if any company is not performing well out of Nifty 50 company, they get rebalanced, they reshuffle after every 6 months. Bad performing companies go out of the index and the good performing companies will come into the Nifty 50 index. And the tax implications is, if you hold Nifty Bs for more than 1 year, you will incur long-term capital gains tax. Less than 12 months, you incur short-term gains tax. Only when you sell, then only you have to pay tax. Nifty Bs is just like offering you a very well diversified portfolio, the best companies of India, the best 50 companies of India, and investment is very easy, withdrawal is very easy. So that's why I'm suggesting you to go for Nifty Bs, and you with your own research you can search other areas like some mutual funds also give you good returns in the long term. Individual stocks I am not promising here. So what to do with that money? So where we come with that money? Once you invest your capital in any kind of ETFs like this Nifty 50 Bs, there is some appreciation over a long period of time. Definitely, as Nifty 50 grows, you get good returns over a long period of time. There will be in between, there will be consolidation, accumulation, or corrections will be there, but all of them are short term. Sometimes they may be for one year also, but remain invested for a long time. You get the real estate equivalent returns in stock market ETFs if you invest for the long period of time. Like you can see here, it was once upon a time it was just 7 rupees only, and now it is 272 rupees. See, but in between there were some dips, there were some corrections, there were some flat periods. The only thing, remain invested, you get some appreciation for your ETFs in the long term horizon, like 5 years, 10 years. Now with the same money we will do trading, intraday trading. No overnight risk, no positional trading, we do only intraday trading with the same capital. Now coming to the statistics of live trading, now I am not showing you any paper trading results, not any backtest results. Directly I am showing you my live deployed strategy performance. First one is, now I am showing you some Sensex strategies. These Sensex strategies we deploy in the morning only. Evening we have natural gas crude oil strategies. In the morning, let us see how much percentage of returns we are generating nowadays with our strategies. Like 34 Sensex here, this strategy is in live. multiple traders deployed this strategy in live. We ourselves deploy the strategy in live with broker Dhan. This is fully automatic strategy. Almost 3 months the strategy is in live trading. So there are some other traders also who are deploying this strategy, like there is some trader, prop desk traders are there, Murthy, Sanjeev trader. These people are also, these traders are also using our strategy in their live deployments. Okay, now coming to its statistics, how much realistically one can expect from these intraday strategies. First of all, graph, it is just like your long term investment. There are dips, there is recoveries, and again huge rallies, dips, recoveries, and then dip, and then recovery and consolidation phase. And coming to the statistics in detail, so these our strategies, our morning Sensex Nifty strategies require minimum 3 lakh rupees capital. And win rate 70% this strategy has over the last 3 months. Average monthly ROI around 4%. And the strategy continuously gave you profits for 12 continuous days and max losing 3 days. So these are the kind of returns one can expect from my strategies in the morning session. This is only for morning session. Same capital, as these are intraday strategies, we close our positions by the end of the day like 3:15. Now the capital is available for you to invest in evening strategies. Same capital we use in evening to generate again 3 to 4% in the evening strategies. Like suppose we go to a strategy of crude oil, 4 crude oil red cross strategy. This is also we deployed in live. This is the live deployment. So we deployed with Kotak Neo. 4 lakhs capital required, 1 more lakh required for crude oil, but 3 lakhs you can deploy with natural gas. There are people who deployed this strategy, other traders also deployed this strategy in live. So in the evening session, one can expect, let us see how much returns in the evening session. Around, just look here, average monthly ROI 4%. Okay. So this is the kind of returns you can expect for your 3 lakhs in the morning, 4%, evening 4%, total 8%. I show you just example of strategies. You don't have to deploy in these strategies only. So better you diversify. We have multiple Sensex strategies, like we have seen 34 Sensex. This is the 34 Sensex. And then we have these other forms of Sensex, like this is another strategy in live, 2 Sensex red cross strategy. And then we have this 43 Sensex strategy in live. In the same way, all these strategies, live shared codes are available. You can check yourself the live deployment statistics of these strategies. Like this strategy already being used by other traders also. Here you can see Nida, Sanjeev Das. We ourselves deployed the strategy with 2 multipliers. And this strategy consistently making 2% returns month after month. So let us see what about this 43.6 Sensex strategy. If you go to its strategies, statistics, the strategy we need to check its deployment of 1 lots only. So here it is deployed in 2 lots recently. So if you go to statistics, you can see the strategy is giving you monthly returns of 2%, and the graph looks like this. Rally followed by flat phase, rally followed by flat phase, or some corrections. Don't expect everyday returns. As you can see in the statistics itself, out of 65 trading days, the strategy is in profit for 43 days. And 21 days strategy is in loss. These are 21 days strategy is in loss. Remember this. Continuously strategy made 3 losses, but 7 continuous profits are there. So you need to check all these statistics and then decide to deploy the strategy in live. So we have some 4 to 5 Sensex good strategies which are in live. All the strategies which I am showing you are live deployed, no paper trading, no back tests. And last 3 months, you know how volatile the market is because of the war situation in Iran and America, and because of this news of monsoon and El Nino effect on India's agriculture and all these things. Still, we are able to generate between 2 to 4% in the morning, and in the evening also you can see other strategies like we have this crude oil 153 strategy. We have very long data, almost 408 days data we have. So this is also deployed in live by multiple traders. Ourselves deployed the strategy, and Taranjit Kaur is our customer who deployed the strategy in live also. If you check its performance, let us see its live performance. Here in live you can see monthly returns of around 4% once again. So all these are live share codes available. You just have to copy and paste those codes into your Tradetron dashboard, and you will see the live statistics of these strategies. So morning and evening combined 4 to 5% minimum. As you have seen, some strategies are giving 4% returns, some strategies are giving 2% returns. Same capital we are using in the evening for natural gas, crude oil also. So with that capital, this is what we do intraday, and your invested capital will appreciate over the long period of time like Nifty Bees does, and some returns we are getting from intraday. This is how we operate. So our strategies and our algo strategies are different from those scammers who take your money and you don't know what they will do with your money. They just pay some money to you for some few months, after that they stop. But here your trading capital is in your account, you have full control, you can stop anytime our strategies. The only thing is we take some charge for providing our strategies, nominal fee only. For 3 lakhs morning strategy we take 1000 per lot, and evening we take 1000 per lot per month. And strategy you will run in your trading Tradetron account. This is how we provide our algo services. We don't give any recommendations, we don't give any tips. We just provide algo strategies to you, which you have full control to go or not. And the live shade codes are available for you to verify the returns of the previous, the history of the strategy.